Following the meeting of a delegation of the Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya on Thursday, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, informed reporters on what had transpired from the discussion between teachers and the Education Department of the state.
So the Education Department had met them and they had expressed concerns about their enhancement of their the grants that have been given to them. So therefore that entire file is being processed, and once it reaches my table it will be put up in the cabinet for discussion, because as I mentioned to you, the impact is in hundreds of crores, and so once that happens it's an annual affair, and if we were to go ahead with that kind of decision, then there are only two ways ahead for us. One is to cut the budget from other departments and so divert the funds from somewhere else and put it into this, because there's only one pool. Or the second issue is how to raise more revenue. So therefore all those things will have to be discussed in detail in the cabinet, and therefore the cabinet will take a call. So we'll put it up in the cabinet and we'll see how to move forward.
So what will be the
enhance your salary?
So as I said, it's a financial impact of more than hundreds of crores. So therefore the cabinet will take a call in this. So I have not received the file yet. It should be coming to me soon, and once it comes I will put it up, and we should be putting it up in the next cabinet, and then the discussion will start and we'll see how it moves forward.